Hey guys, that van guy here, and I'm fixing some wiring on the van. If you're asking why, that's why. Kept blowing through fuses, all sorts of normal stuff that would happen if it was shorting out the way that it is. The way it looks like it got pinched by the doghouse first, bridged some connections and melted everything together. So it's really miraculous that this was able to actually run for a certain amount of time before it would short out, because I'd get like 30 minutes to like a whole day of runtime out of this without shorting any fuses. So yeah. Oh, PS, apologize for the vertical, but that's how I'm gonna film this. So it'll be lots of mix match action going on, so get over it. I'm making a video. Thanks. So first, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of my game plan. We're going to be taking this whole loom and shortening it by a lot so everything will fit tight in this space of the engine bay. Because before I had all of this power and ground and whatever leads running into the actual cab itself. So I had to notch out the doghouse, which, I mean, it's not here, it's out there. But yeah, in this space, and I ran it through this notch, and I have my switches and relays and all of that stuff. Power lead off the ignition, that's just a random ground, but yeah, relays. So I used to just run everything off of straight switches, but swapped over to relays, was having issues, and at some point in between swapping everything, I think I pinched it and grounded everything out, so not good. But yeah, that's the game plan. I'll probably switch to a time lapse right about now, and we'll get to it. Bye. So Stewie just pulled apart the relay here, and it's missing things.
That doesn't work.
No. So that was one of the relays, which was obviously a product of the wires being super messed up like they were. So cleaned everything up a little bit, got some stuff pulled out, cut down to a decent distance. So now I'm going to mount the relays and start running wire to those. Okay, I've been fighting this thing for a while, but everything is the way that it needs to be for basically ever. I can't really think of anything else that I really need to change besides like aesthetics and whatnot. But all the wires are ran. I'll flip the camera around and show you guys what's up. Okay, so we have this relay tapped into the high beam light off of this smaller white wire right there on the bottom. Got main power in obviously right here, and have your freaking ground, and then power that runs to the bar. I wrapped everything up pretty nice there. Got the bar mounted, welded. And then below that right here is the relay for the running fans. And then I did decide to run so a power lead and a ground lead, or I guess a power in and a power out for the off-road fans that I like to use here. Let's see, I'm trying to adjust the brightness, whatever you call it. So right there, you got the switch that overrides everything, so it should be good to go. But yeah, this is what's up. I'm gonna give it a test run, see if everything works. The van, everything works perfectly. I took a few clips and pics that I'll probably post up on, oh wow, it's dark. Probably post up on the gram, and I'll try to incorporate them into this video if they fit right. This is honestly gonna be a pretty bung video, but yeah, at least the time lapse is kind of sick. I guess I could take some pics of all the stuff I did tomorrow too. Yeah, and post that up. But anyways, finally another video out. Let's try to keep on a regular schedule from now on, huh? All right, peace.